Very good morning to all of you. Welcome back, class 11th. I hope all of you guys are doing well. And today also we'll be talking about the same topic, just a different uh, perspective we'll be looking at. And today we'll be looking at exercise 7.2. I hope you were able to do questions on the exercise 7.1 yesterday. I didn't give you the whole exercise to do. I gave you questions, uh, even number questions, and today we'll be looking at more advanced things on that. And then but our topic for today is going to be solution of a system of linear inequalities in one variable. So I hope you guys are able to understand कि जब सिस्टम की बात करते हैं हम लोग, there is not only one linear equation or one inequation. Whenever I talk about system, there are two or more than two inequations. Okay, that's why we are talking about a system. Solution of a system of linear inequalities in one variable. But the good thing is that we are just talking about one variable. Okay, linear inequalities in one variable. Okay. So there are three steps that we need to keep in mind when we are solving that. But I'll be also solving a question after this, and I won't rub this, so we can just correspondingly look how to do the questions. It's not a hard task for us. It's not a hard thing. So the very first step we need to do is solving each linear inequality separately. They'll be giving us two or more than two or three or four. We have to take each linear inequality separately, solve it, bring a solution set, and if there are two given, I'll bring two solution set, three given, three solution set, and so on. And then second step is find the values of the variables which satisfy all the given linear inequalities. I have to find the variable xk solution set, okay, in both the cases, and then I have to move forward. After that, the third step. What is the third step? The third step is the common value of the variable from the required solution. If there are two answers, obviously उनमें ना कोई common solution होगी. अगर common solution नहीं है तो आपका आंसर जीरो है, null, okay, और empty bracket. But अगर आपका solution दोनों में कोई ना कोई common आ रहा है, I'll teach you that. That common part is going to be your answer. Okay, so keep in mind that the common part is going to be our answer, and we'll be looking at some questions from the exercise. There is not much to tell you guys the theoretical part in this exercise, so I'll just explain you guys the very simple thing. Okay, let's have a look at some of the questions from the exercise, and this is fourth question, first part, and we'll be looking at this question. And I don't want to erase that part because that part is going to help us to understand what to do in this question. And the very first part says you need to solve the two different inequalities that has been given. You have to solve both of them separately. So we are going to solve them separately. So the very first thing is this. So I'll bring 3x minus x is less than 5 plus 7. I hope you guys understood. I didn't do anything wrong in this. And then it's going to become 2x. And this is going to be what? 5 plus 7, that is going to be 12. And then x is going to be 6. Okay, and the second part also I'll be solving over here. And when I solve the second part, it's going to be much clearer for you guys. 11 minus 5x. So I'll take minus 5x. And then 1 minus 11. And then it's going to be 5x minus 5x minus 10. And then I'm going to divide this by minus 5. When I divide this by minus 5, the sign changes. So I'm dividing by minus 5. Okay, can you see whenever I divided by minus 5, the sign changed. So x is greater than or equals to 2. X is greater than or equals to 2. Now, the very first part has been done. The very first step has been done. What was the first step? Solve each linear inequality separately. I solved it separately. After that, find the values of variable which satisfy all the given linear inequations. Variable which satisfy the given. So these are the answers. So what is my answer going to be actually? My answer is going to be, for this one, it's going to be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and so on. Okay, all the numbers after that. Okay, and for this it's going to be, what is it going to be? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. I hope you guys are getting this. I got the solution for both of them. Now what I need to do is find, last part is, see, read the last line. The common value of the variable from the required solution of the given system of the linear equalities. So what does it say? The common value. What is the common value? That's going to be my answer. सिस्टम का जो आंसर है, जो सॉल्यूशन ऑफ अ सिस्टम इज, ये जो सिस्टम है दो इनइक्वालिटीज का, इसका आंसर क्या होगा? कॉमन थिंग. So what is a common thing? Whatever is common between both of them. So what is common? 2, 3, 4 and 5 is common. So this is my solution for a given system of linear inequalities in one variable. This is my answer. So that's how you solve this question. Okay, you find out the common thing. Okay, I hope you guys are getting this. Okay, we'll try some more questions on this, and I think then we'll be done for today. Let's see what we can do now. We'll do question number 6. Okay, we'll do question number 6, first part. If we have a look in question number 6, first part, minus 4x plus 1, and then it is greater than or equals to 0, and the other one is 3 minus 4x is smaller than 0 or less than 0. Okay, there are two inequations that are given to me, two inequalities that are given to me. So this is called a system, and I have to find the solution for the system of linear inequalities in one variable. So I'm going to solve this. Okay, so when I solve this, minus 4x minus 1, and then I will divide this by minus 4. Okay, divide the whole inequality by minus 4. So when I divide by minus 4, please have a look everyone. Okay, this sign change हो जाता है, and this is also going to be divided by minus 4. Okay, so this is going to get cancelled out. X is less than, that is minus 4, 1 upon 4. Okay, or 0.25 you can say. This can also be written. So x is less than or equals to 0.25. All the numbers less than 0.25 is my answer. So if I draw on a number line, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So the solution I am drawing, solution over here, यहाँ पर आएगा 0.25. तो ये पूरा आंसर है इसका, ये पूरा डार्क लाइन जो है ये इसका आंसर है, पहले वाले का आंसर है. ठीक है, अब इस वाले का आंसर देखते हैं. Let's see the answer for this. So it says, so I can take this on that side. So 3, 4x simply, and 3 को इधर ले जाके डिवाइड करूंगा, and it's going to be 0.75 x. So x is greater than 0.75. 0.75 x is greater. So 0.75 is going to be over here. So all the numbers greater than this over here. So this is the answer for equation 1. Sorry, it's equation 2. This is the answer for inequation 1. In equation 2, in equation 1. What is common in this that is coming? What is the common part that is coming? There is nothing common in this. So when I have to write my answer, what's the answer for this? My answer is going to be 5. My answer is going to be 5. When there is no common thing, then my answer is always 5. There is no solution for the system or no common thing, so no solution. You can write 5 or an empty bracket. But in the smaller classes we have studied कि या तो empty bracket रखो या फिर 5 लिखो, दोनों एक साथ मत लिखना, एक के अंदर एक. ठीक है? That's not going to be acceptable for you. विल ट्राई सम मोर क्वेश्चंस एंड सिस्टम। जब भी हम सिस्टम की बात करते हैं जरूरी नहीं कि टू इनइक्वालिटीज अलग अलग दिए जाए, एक साथ भी दी जा सकती है। फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स से क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, question number 9 says, and first part we'll be looking at question 9, first part, 7 is smaller than 3x plus 11 upon 2 is less than 11. So if you see there is no other inequality in this, but if you observe it very nicely you'll understand कि इसी के अंदर ही क्या है, इसी के अंदर आपको दिख जाएगा टू इनइक्वालिटीज है, वन इनइक्वालिटी सेकंड इनइक्वालिटी। नाउ देयर आर टू वेज ऑफ डूइंग दिस, ओके। टू वेज ऑफ डूइंग इज you take this part separately, solve it, bring an answer, take this part separately, solve it and bring an answer, or you guys can solve it together, but जब आप शिफ्टिंग करोगे आप शिफ्टिंग दोनों साइड करोगे, ओके। दोनों साइड करोगे मतलब अगर 2 यहाँ पे डिवाइड हो रहा है, इस तरफ जाके मल्टीप्लाई होगा, उस तरफ भी जाके मल्टीप्लाई होगा, so it's going to be 14 3x plus 11 22. Did you see what I did? When this is going on this side, this also goes on both the sides equally. It's going to go on both the sides. Now 11 has to be shifted out of here, so if 11 has to be shifted out of here, plus 11 is going to go on that side, 14 minus 11 3x, and this is also going to be 22 minus 11, okay. And then this is going to bring my answer as, this is going to be 3x, and this is going to be 11, okay. 22 minus 11 is going to be 11. Now I have to remove 3. So how to do remove 3? 3 is going to be here, divide by 3, x is left, but 3 उधर जाके भी 11 से भी divide होगा. So what's my answer? 1. 11 divided by 3 is going to be 3.2 बचता है, तो 3.66 आता रहेगा आपके पास, बट आप 3 ले सकते हो. So what's my answer? My answer is going to be, if you see this number line, my answer is going to be, this is the common part already, you don't have to do anything separately. So 1 और 3 के बीच का और या 3.66 के बीच का जो आपका आंसर होगा वो आपका आंसर है. So ये 3 है, ये 4 है. So the answers from here, ये पूरा आपका सॉल्यूशन है. 1 तक, 1 का है, दिस इज 1, यहां से लेके यहां तक ये पूरा आपका आंसर है, यहां से लेके यहां तक. दिस इज द आंसर. इन दिस यू डोंट हैव टू फाइंड द कॉमन पार्ट बिकॉज द कॉमन पार्ट इज ऑलरेडी फाउंड आउट फॉर यू. In this you don't have to do much, okay. You just have to solve both the sides and you'll get your answer, okay. So I hope you guys understood. It's not a very hard topic, so I don't want to make a long video because I really want you guys to continue doing these questions in your notebooks, and yeah, just do it and enjoy. Have a good day everyone. Thanks for watching this video. Take care of yourself.